Jack here, and I'm looking at the Auraglow Complete LED Whitening Kit. This is a professional LED accelerated whitening kit that offers results in as little as 30 minutes. On the back of the box, you'll see that inside you've got the LED light to accelerate the whitening results, 20 treatments of American-made whitening gel, a premium storage case, and a magnetic charging cable. All of that we'll look at a little bit later. Here's the ingredient statement, just so you know, as well as some other information about the product. Let's see what's inside the box. When you first open the package, you're greeted with a quick start guide showing you the proper way to charge your LED light device, as well as the complete guide for the whitening kit and proper instructions on how to use the kit. Inside the box, we've got our carrying case with the LED light, our charging cable, and 2 tubes of whitening gel. Let's open up our carrying case. And there is our all-in-one single-piece LED charging light. I like that it's all one piece. Very nice. On the charging device is a capacitive button that turns on the light. When you press it, you'll hear a beep and the light will start, and it will stay on for 30 minutes, after which it will beep and turn off on its own. To set this up, all you need to do is take out a tube of paste, unscrew the cap, do a thin streak of the paste along the top and the bottom of the mouth guard, where your teeth would be. Close the tube, insert the guard into your mouth, turn on the light, sit back and relax for 30 minutes until you hear the beep and until the light shuts off. Now, I've never had particularly sensitive teeth, but making sure the whitening kit that I got was sensitive and gentle enough and didn't actually cause any pain or harm was super important to me. I have had absolutely no issues using this kit at all, and I honestly think that my teeth started getting noticeably whiter in as little as 2 uses. Now, once you use the device, you're probably going to want to charge it. That's in here. All you have to do, open this up. One end is USB and connects to your typical USB phone style charger. The other end is a nice magnetic disc that lines up with the magnetic contacts on the back of the device and can be charged like so.